2.8 million tokens burned on a single financial analysis task. That is what standard RAG costs you right now. Pinecone just killed it with 3 words. Context, compiler, architecture. Here is the problem. Your RAG pipeline was designed for humans, not agents. Every query hits the vector database, pulls raw chunks, feeds them into the LLM, and prays the model stitches a coherent answer. Brute force retrieval, bleeding your budget dry. Pinecone measured it. Agents spend 85% of their compute on searching, reading, and throwing away irrelevant data. The result? 50 to 60% task completion. That is a coin flip. You are paying thousands in API costs for a coin flip. Now here is where Nexus flips the entire architecture on its head. But first, you need to understand the single concept that makes this possible. Nexus introduces a context compiler, not a retriever, a compiler. It runs at ingestion time, not query time. It takes your raw documents, PDFs, databases, API outputs, and compiles them into structured, task-specific knowledge artifacts before your agent ever asks a question. Think of it like this. Standard RAG is an interpreter. Slow, line-by-line, runtime execution. Nexus is a compiler. It does the heavy lifting once, upfront, and serves pre-built binaries. The architecture breaks into 3 components. 1. The context compiler, an autonomous agent that takes source data and a task definition, iteratively experiments with representations, and outputs versioned knowledge artifacts. 2. The Composable Retriever. It serves those compiled artifacts in the exact typed format the downstream agent needs. No parsing, no guessing. 3. NoQL. And this is the part that changes everything. NoQL is a declarative query language built specifically for agents. Think SQL, but for knowledge. It has 6 primitives. Ask, which defines the goal and output schema. Where, which enforces access control and filters. Ground, which demands field-level citations with confidence tiers. Shape, which locks the response into a typed JSON structure. Confidence, which separates grounded facts from uncertain inferences. And budget, which sets hard constraints on depth, latency, and token spend. One declarative call. No retrieval loops, no chain of thought hacking. The agent says exactly what it needs, and Nexus delivers it pre-compiled and cited. Now the benchmarks, and these numbers are violent. Standard RAG on a complex financial analysis task. 2.8 million tokens consumed. 7 API calls. 23 seconds end-to-end. Nexus on the same task. 4,000 tokens. 1 call. Under 4 seconds. That is a 98% reduction in token usage and a 30x speedup. Task completion rates jump from 60% to over 90%. Not because the model got smarter, because the architecture stopped wasting its intelligence on garbage retrieval. Here is the pipeline in practice. Source data flows into the context compiler at ingestion. The compiler builds versioned artifacts with full provenance chains. At query time, the agent sends a NoQL declaration. The Composable Retriever matches the artifact to the declared shape. Structured, cited, confidence-scored response delivered. 0 retrieval loops. 0 wasted tokens. And there is a governance layer baked in. Every artifact traces back to source. PII gets handled at compilation, not at inference. You get audit trails by default. The real shift here is not speed. It is not cost. It is the fundamental separation of knowledge construction from knowledge consumption. Standard RAG fuses them at runtime. Nexus decouples them entirely. Your vector database is not going anywhere. Pinecone still runs core indexes at 4 to 8 millisecond P50 latency. Nexus sits on top as an architectural layer solving the agent-specific bottleneck. Retrieval was never the problem. Assembly was. Every major agentic framework, LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, they all hit the same wall. The agent loops, the token burn, the 60% ceiling. Nexus breaks through that ceiling by moving the reasoning upstream, out of the hot path, and into a cold compilation layer that runs once and serves forever. Standard RAG is not dead because it does not work. It is dead because it was never built for the thing we are now asking it to do. Agents do not need search results. They need compiled knowledge. Thank you.